This is a 2020 Jeep Gladiator Rubicon. Red over black, leather interior. Power windows, locks, and mirrors. Leather wrap steering wheel, navigation, remote start, push button start, heated mirrors, automatic transmission. AC. There's a look at the rear seat. Black aluminum wheels, tonneau cover, sliding rear window, backup camera, receiver hitch, lockable tailgate, spray and bed liner. This vehicle is powered by a 3.6 liter V6 engine, so it's got power. And like all pre-owned vehicles at AutoNation Ford, Brooksville has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.